Hello and welcome to our video on calculating Pearson's R and the coefficient of determination using your CAS calculator. So we're going to use the same example that we used when we calculated Pearson's R by hand. I've just left it over here on the side of the screen for you. On our CAS we need to go to the statistics menu, and when you're there choose a free column, or you can rename one yourself. We're going to rename one of them X and the second column will be named Y. So we need to copy the X values into the X column and the Y values into the Y column. Once you've got your X values and your Y values in, make sure that you're going across for the X values and across for the Y values. We need to go to calculate, the calculate key. Actually, I'll do it on this one because you can see it a little bit easier. Calculate and regression, and then we choose linear regression. So this is one we're looking for, the top one. Once you click on that, you need to choose your X list, and ours had that fantastic name X. Our Y list was Y. Frequency stays as 1. This one you can turn on later. It can be useful later to copy the formula if you're trying to find the formula of the regression line. We'll find out how to do that in a later video, but this is how you switch it on. And copy the residual if you are interested in looking at the residuals later, which will be covered in a later video. You'll need to turn this on and decide where you want to copy the residuals so you could make a scatter plot of them. But for now we're going to leave both of these off. So all we need to fill in is the X list and the Y list. Click OK. And what you need to be aware of is that this screen here, once you click OK, it goes away and you can't get it back again. So that's why on the previous screen, if you wanted to copy one or two of the things, you needed to select it in advance. Now you can get it back again by going through the whole menu again and clicking linear regression and going through it, but it's a bit of a pain. So what you want to do is write down these values while you see them on your calculator before you click OK. So the one we're looking for, Pearson's R, is R, which is right here, 0.8342977. And if we look at our calculation that we ended up down here, we ended up with 0.83 to 2 decimal places. So it's come to the same conclusion. And R squared is the coefficient of determination, which will be in a future video. And that is listed here as 0.696. So that would round to 0.70 to 2 decimal places. Once you click OK, it just takes you back to the home page again. And if you wanted to see any of those values again, you would need to click Calculate, Regression, Linear Regression again. Thanks for watching the video.